We smashing it, we smashing it. Is you a smidgen? Yes. Is you a smidgen? Yes. Is you ain't, then gon' get with it. Subscribe down below. What we eat, how we eat, it's a go. So guys, today we're gonna be eating Subway sandwiches, homemade, and let's get started. So we have some pepperoni, some turkey meat, and some bread, and some cheese on it, and
Pepper jack cheese.
And we're going to start eating it. We're going to put our toppings on, and we're going to eat. Go.
We already toasted it in our air fryer.
And we just have to put our toppings on. Our mom had made this spread right there, and she designed it up and made everything good. So all we gotta do is just put it on our sandwich and eat. Okay. I like black olives on mine. What do you like in yours, Dresha?
I would like some of the what's it called?
Pepper jacks?
Nah,
Banana peppers?
yeah, banana peppers. That's what it's called.
And I like some a little bit of lettuce, not too much. I like some spinach on mine, so I'm going to get some. Okay, you can put some in yours.
Thank you. A little bit of banana peppers. There you go. Now I would like some
Cucumbers?
cucumbers.
Guys, just know I'm not finished with my sandwich.
And let's some spinach.
That's it?
And just a little bit of this.
Bell peppers?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get some banana peppers. I love banana peppers on my Subway sandwich. And I definitely love black olives. So then I'm going to get one onion because I barely like onions. I'm going to get some cucumbers. Guys, look at that juicy sandwich. And some bell peppers. Add some bell peppers.
This is going to be tasting so good.
Okay. Now I gotta put my spread on. I always use the back of my spoon because it's easy to spread on your bread. Delicious.
Tastes so good. Okay, I am all done.
Okay.
Okay. Oopsie. Can't wait to try it.
So now let's flip this bad baby over and eat it. 3, 2, 1. Look at that drip. Go. Wow. This is so good. We also have some drink over here.
Yeah, it's kind of hot. I have some of this orange cream soda.
And I have some root beer. Now let's take another bite. This is so good.
This sandwich is so good. You guys should try this sandwich. I love it so much.
Try to make your sandwich at home. It's much cheaper. Guys, this is so good. I can taste more of the sauce.
I love how my mom had made the sauce. Those banana paper